That's right. This is me just looking. Oh, hello, Domino. Well, I clearly can only pull one off, but it looks like somebody tried to put brand new spark plugs in there. Look at that.
Yeah, they look pretty new, don't they?
Yeah. Okay, there's that.
There's that.
Okay. What did I do? Right, I gave it to you and you put it up there. Okay.
Yes.
Third time the charm? No.
Okay, well, I was prepared for such adventure. Looks like it's too small. There's an 11.
All right. That's too big. I think. No, it's still too small. What the heck's going on? It will not go down.
What in the 7th ring of hell?
Okay, this one here that's the 1/2 inch. We know that's too small.
Okay, well, we got a 1/2 inch here. Let's see this that we can get at. See, that fits. I just run that off.
Okay, well, let me try this again. Maybe it's just awkward in there. It's just awkward in there. I gotta take this off.
Yeah, that won't come off. It's maybe let's just clean around it. Maybe it's all the junk that's in there.
I don't know. Where's that screwdriver?
There you go.
I am not gonna be defeated by a carburetor.
Especially one bolt on, and it's only a 2-barrel.
I mean, like, come on, man. What are we doing here? Screwdriver. You will get in your hole. Double check. It's on off. No, see, it won't go down any further. I've cleaned that out.
So do we need like a thin?
We need a miracle. You had that 1/2 inch, right?
Okay, so what size is that?
It's a 1/2 inch.
That's the 1/2 inch.
But it's not going down any further.
Okay, let me see that.
Yeah, you go ahead.
See, I think, grab me your 7/16.
Right there.
Okay.
Okay, I pull off, I put on. Because I can. Eh? Huh? Huh?
Nothing.
It will not fall down. Or not fall down, but you know, it won't
Go on.
go on.
Well, what in the 7th ring?
Because that doesn't have enough space. So somehow or another, okay, let's see, where's that 1/2 inch? That's not it.
Right here.
That is it?
I don't know if you're ever going to get that on there, though.
Probably not.
Oh, I have an idea.
Oh gosh.
Ooh, I have an idea. Haha.
Hurry.
I'm hurrying. I think I have an idea, woman.
All right.
Okay, let's go back to the toolbox. And let's go with a 1/4 inch drive. Maybe that will be the right ticket. Because it'll be narrow. Maybe it just needs to be more narrow. Okay, come on down. Let's go. Don't know why you're following me everywhere. Oh, now you're hopping on your chair. No, now you're not. Okay.
Okay, got that.
Grab that.
Right.
Throw that extension on there.
Extension on.
Okay, now drop it in there and see if it makes...
Boom. So we got the little one.
We got the little one.
All right.
People will probably be streaming at their screen.
Yeah, just,
Hey, dumbasses, grab a 1/4 inch. It's thinner.
yes, but of course it's my debut, so let me make it difficult for everybody.
Yeah.
Aha.
What a naughty little bugger.
Oh, it is, because this one was just as bad. I tried to
Yeah.
put that 1/2 inch in there, and I would have been like, not gonna happen.
Not happening.
Yeah, just,
Now we got progress.
this is good. Now there's only 2 bolts in here, right?
Yeah. But now we got to pull all the hoses off of it.
That's okay. After that frustration, I got enough energy. That's not a hose, but that one is.
It'll just be a puller.
Oh, I see it's coming. Come on.
Yep, keep going. You got it.
Okay, I'm tired.
If you can see it, use your screwdriver right there. Just give that a little bit of a hee-haw. Is it not hee-hawing?
No, it's ha-ha. You know how bad it is?
Let's see what's... Oh, yeah, I see what's going on. You almost here.
Hey, no, don't.
Okay. There you go. You're gone.
Oh, well. Yeah, put it in the other pile.
Yeah, put it in the pile.
Okay, so there's that one. This one looks like it's gonna be. Looks like it's a vacuum seal. Or
What
vacuum.
that's going to be is, if you follow it, my
It
beautiful
goes right
queen,
here, right?
which is the vacuum advance for the
Okay.
carburetor,
So
or
I
the
was-
distributor. So yeah, you're right.
I was halfway right with being a vacuum.
Yeah. It's a 2-barrel. It'll be like, yeah. I wish I was, yeah. I wish it was a 4-barrel. I wish I was a 4-barrel. I identify as a 4-barrel. Perfect.
Just trying to find all the little places. Okay. That one looks like it's.
Yep, that's going for the, you will have to pull that. Nice. But that's just pull and you're good.
Okay. That's that. That's that. That's that. Do you have to take that off?
Yes, you do. So that will be probably a 1/2 incher. No, that's going to be a 9/16 for sure.
Oh, I got a mess over there. I'm just saying. 5/8.
That one.
9/16. That one right there.
Yepers.
Okay. No, maybe I should have grabbed the 5/8.
Well, maybe
Maybe it was right the first time.
you were. Yep. Okay, so that loose will be up.
Oh, okay.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah. We should have done that one first. Another lesson learned.
Probably. Okay, let me just, I'll show you another little trick. I'll just hand you that. When you're doing that,
Oh, see?
see, just hit it a little bit. And that is really old and decrepit
And gross.
and gross.
See, folks, I'm letting him do this bolt because he hasn't done anything on here and he's probably itching to do something. So, gotta give the guys the one bolt compared to my 20. Nice! Nailed it!
Out of the way.
Okay.
Alrighty.
There's a few
So,
more.
let me grab...
We can grab something else?
Let me grab this one back here.
Okay.
Hold on to that. So we'll see. Nope, it's going to be 3/4.
It's gonna be a big one.
It's going to be the biggie. And of course, they don't make this so big hands can grab nothing.
You could have asked. I would have been your assistant. Oh, I should have probably maybe got that little holes out of the way. Wait. Oh.
Oh. Tight back into the carburetor. And now we can get this one out. And the only thing we have left is the gas pedal and for the transmission.
Okay, I don't know where those are. This would be for gas pedal, right?
Yep. The bottom
That's
one will
called
be-
the not linkage because that's on the bottom.
No, that's linkage.
It's-
It's throttle linkage.
Throttle linkage. Okay. Because there's two different types of linkage, right? There's the throttle linkage and then there's the linkage underneath by the transmission.
Yep. Alrighty.
Okay, so there's that.
I'll grab the phone.
Okay, all right.
Now, grab the screwdriver. Pull those springs with the... So there you go. There's one.
Can you explain to me why there's two on there?
Yeah, just for extra strength, I guess. A little more springy.
For what? It's a 262. I don't think there's a whole lot of throttle there.
Yeah, but you sure as heck don't want that, sticking either.
No.
Grab your screwdriver and just give that, because this will just be a little pop it off.
That way?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
There you go.
Oh, I see.
Everybody's kung fu fighting.
Frick. Okay. And is there something else other than this one?
No, it's just wrapped around there, baby. That's all that's going on. There you go.
Tetris over here. Twister. It's the game of Twister. 5 foot green. All right. Have a carb.
In the bin.
In the bin.
In the bin. Wowza hers.
I got progress.
That's
that?
probably for the battery hold down.
All right.
Oh, we can keep that.
So what do you
Well-
figure? I think we should call her good for today.
Okay.
Come back again. Hopefully it the temperature lies and we get out tomorrow and continue on.
Yeah, well, we got some good time. So we got some good content on the Chevelle, which
Yeah.
we have been very much wanting to do and lacking.
Yes.
So,
Before we go though, this here is an HEI.
yes,
So that's electronic
ignition. High energy or high electric spark ignition, I think it is.
Well, we'll have to research that.
Yeah.
But, all right,
I know
guys.
that's what it is.
Until next time. I want to do more, but I'm cold.
Yeah, it's still cold.
It is still cold.
And when you're holding wrenches and stuff, that does get cold on the hands.
Dirty.
Dirty hands. Alrighty.
All right, we'll be talking to you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. And, be nice in the comments. I will find you.
Alrighty. Please like, share, and subscribe, people. Leave comments. Tell us how we're doing. If you enjoy the car, because we certainly do.
Yes.
Alrighty, everybody. Take care and bye-bye.